In example 5, we're going to write the equation of a line that is perpendicular. So that's the first thing we want to recognize, that we're looking for perpendicular lines. To 2y plus 6x equal to 12, that passes through the point negative 1, 4. Well, if it's perpendicular, we know we need the opposite reciprocal slope. However, we don't know the slope of this line because it's not in slope-intercept form. So we have to do that first. Oops, so we're going to put the line in slope-intercept form. So we have 2y plus 6x equal to 12. First thing we have to do is subtract the 6x from both sides, and we get 2y equal to 12 minus 6x, and then we can divide everything by 2. And we get y is equal to 6 minus 3x. And the only thing we need from here, we don't need the y-intercept, we just need the slope. And we need to know that the slope of this line is negative 3. So we're going to use that slope to find our perpendicular line. The slope of the perpendicular line, so the new one that I'm trying to find, needs to be the opposite reciprocal of negative 3. Well, remember, negative 3 is the same as taking negative 3 over 1. So if I take the reciprocal of that, I get 1 over 3. And if I take the opposite of a negative, this becomes a positive. So I'm going to use a positive 1/3. And I'm going to pass through the point negative 1, 4. So I'm going to be plugging negative 1 in for my x and 4 in for my y in order to find b. Plugging that in, I get 4 equal to 1/3 times negative 1 plus b. I plugged 4 in for the y, 1/3 in for m, negative 1 in for x. 1/3 times negative 1 is negative 1/3 plus b. And then I want to go ahead and add 1/3 to both sides. And 4 plus 1/3 is 13/3 equal to b, which means my answer that I get is y equals 1/3 x plus 13 over 3. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, go ahead to the try this and see if you can do one very similar. Pause it now and unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. If you did the try this correctly, your answer should be y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 11. If you did not get this and you have some questions, let me know.